Alright, y'all, so we're back. I'm gonna do a summer look, or at least attempt to do one. I'm on the floor again because this weekend I am visiting my boyfriend in Virginia. So, a lot of this is gonna be muted, hopefully, because I am still watching TV in the background. But we will be working with more summer colors. Still working with the James Charles palette, just because it contains a lot of really pretty colors that I haven't played with. But yeah, I already primed my eyes, already primed my face. So this is going to be more of like a pink purple look. I honestly don't even know where to start. Probably going to start with the color Skip, which is a pink color from the James Charles palette. Alright, y'all, so for whatever reason, my video editor wasn't letting me like edit or clip anything, so I'm just going to do a voiceover. Like I said, I was using the James Charles palette. I used Pinkity Dinkity. I used that really fuchsia pink. So kind of just follow along with this video if you'd like, with any similar colors you think may be like close to these. I'm sorry the next two videos are going to be like this, so I mean, if you want to watch, feel free. If not, then I'm sorry. I'll do better next time. I think it just, if I go over 15 minutes, the video editor thing that I have, it just tends to mess up. So just follow along, listen to the music, and I hope you guys like. Bye!